Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, PANASONIC CF-33, and now I'm gonna show you how to insert or how to eject the SIM card from this device. So, to do it, you just need to disconnect your device from the charging. Wait, close it. Great. Now we need to open the back cover. To do it, just push it and drag. Great. And here under the left battery, you will see the SIM card slot. So just open the left battery. You cannot to open the right battery. And here, as you can see, here we have this plastic object. So we need to push it and then just open. And here you will see the SIM card. As you can see, here I have the SIM card. And if you want to insert it, you need to make it as on this image. So as you can see, this cutted side is here, and in this way here you will see the place for the SIM card. So sorry, but it's not too easy to show you how to do it. So insert it and then click until you will hear the click sound. That's great. And if you want to eject it, so just click on it until you will hear the click sound, then release, and then as you can see in this way, and then you will be able to eject the SIM card from your laptop. Then you can insert the battery again, then close the cover, so press and making it this way. That's great. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.